Unicellular organisms or cells and multicellular organisms or cells are very different, and they work very different. Unicellular organisms are just made of one cell. That one cell is all it needs. It can do every single thing that the cell needs to survive with just everything it has. Multicellular organisms or cells, they have lots and lots of parts. They have different organelles with different jobs, and the cell would not be able to live or would not be sustainable if it was missing one part. It's crucial that that cell has all the different parts, because everything has a very specific job for the cell. Here's an example of a unicellular organism. This is an amoeba. Amoebas, this is all it needs. It doesn't need anything else. Everything is working together to function as one system. It doesn't have multiple parts. Another good example of a unicellular organism is bacteria. Same situation. It has all of its parts here. This is all it needs. Everything can work on its own. Everything is working together as one system. Here is an example of a multicellular organism. As we know already, plant cells have many different parts. They have all the different organelles. They have chloroplasts, they have a cell membrane, they have ribosomes. If they did not have all those different things with all of their very specific jobs to keep the cell alive, the cell would not survive, and therefore this plant would not be able to live. Same situation, more or less, with this. This is a bear. It's technically, any animal would work for the example, but I just used this one because I like bears. But anyways, as we also know, animal cells, they are pretty much almost the same, except for a few differences in the organelles. To plant cells, they have many different parts, and if it was missing one or two, the cell would not be able to survive. Therefore, the organism would not be able to survive if it did not have all of its cells. I'm not saying that the thing would die if it lost one cell. I'm saying, like, if it was the case for a lot of the cells, then it would die. That's a good thing about multicellular organisms. They can lose cells, but they get new cells. So, yeah, that's that.